Hi, and welcome to the first episode of Market Opinions. For you guys who don't know me, I'm Tor. I recently started this YouTube channel and I'm a retail trader. So in this episode, I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin. So let's get started with what Bitcoin is. According to Wikipedia, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or a single administrator that can be sent from user to user on a peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. So what makes Bitcoin special is that it is digital. You cannot physically hold it. No central bank has control over it, and there's no intermediaries where, for instance, if I would transfer money to you, I would have to go to a bank first. With Bitcoin, it goes directly to you. And it is a finite amount of Bitcoin, 21 million. And at the end, it is damn controversial. Since it is decentralized and doesn't have intermediaries, then we don't really have transparency where we can see who sent X amount to another person from a governmental perspective. Because of that, Bitcoin has been accused for being used in illegal transaction. But that's not really an argument, because so is cash, right? So the reason why I made this episode about Bitcoin is because it has increased tremendously lately. And there's been talks whether Bitcoin is a hedge if the stock market would crash. That's not true at all. According to an article on Nasdaq.com, source in description, Bitcoin returns are only 9% correlated with gold, aka an insignificant amount, given that gold is viewed as a safe haven asset. It has higher correlation with S&P 500, 22%. Hence, it's not really a safe haven asset. Its value tends to go up in bull markets and fall in bearish ones. So we have established that Bitcoin isn't a hedge. But what's very important to get right is that this rally is because of more demand for Bitcoin. And things have changed since the last rally regarding Bitcoin. Institutions are essentially adopting Bitcoin more and more. For instance, PayPal allows its users on its platform to purchase Bitcoin, another cryptocurrency. Square's Cash App allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin. CBO and CME Group is planning to launch cryptocurrency products, and that's pretty major given that CBO is the biggest American option exchange. CME Group is the world's biggest derivative exchange. And we also see that central banks and governments around the world are also now considering the potential of a central bank cryptocurrency. This is not really directly related to Bitcoin, but that essentially means that the concept of cryptocurrency and the convenience is getting more accepted. So for me, it looks like Bitcoin is getting more accepted all over. And that's very important because it's a currency. Remember that, it's a currency. If people in your countries started to have less faith or less acceptance for your own currency, then you would see the value of your currency would decline and the demand for your currency would go down. It is essentially a demand driven rally since Bitcoin is getting more accepted as a currency. So this was my quick thoughts on why Bitcoin is increasing in value. But to add another thing at the end, given these wild price jumps and high volatility, many bots, scammers, IG finance gurus, etc. is trying to earn money on it. Either by selling you fake Bitcoin, try to make you join the pyramid scheme. We all remember BitConnect a few years ago. If not, search on it. So please watch out. If you have FOMO and really want to invest in Bitcoin, or that you believe in this currency, then think twice of where to invest. Like if you get a DM on IG where it says, hey, I made 1K in 10 seconds trading Bitcoin at ABC place. Here's where you can do it too. That's BS. Nobody is gonna give you a handout like that. So choose a proper platform. It's a relatively new project, and hence it's maybe trickier to find a established platform, for instance, like it is with stocks, but they do exist. According to the collegeinvestor.com, link in description, it is multiple places to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The top three on the list is Coinbase, Gemini, and BlockFi. Coinbase is, by the way, going to have an IPO this year, so that will be interesting nonetheless. And to ramp it all up, I do believe Bitcoin will continue to climb up, but it will come a correction in the short term. Bitcoin has increased nearly 200% last 3 months, but the price of Bitcoin when that correction will come, if that's 40k or 50k, we don't know. It is probably still some upside here, but we will see. I am generally cautious when something has increased so much on so little time, but I don't know. I cannot predict the future. So this was it. If you liked the video, smash that like button. If you're wondering about anything, then write a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy trading.